Hey friends, it's Kandi, and today we are doing another recipe experiment. I started out planning to make a cheese ball recipe, but things changed pretty quickly. First, I realized I was out of mozzarella cheese, so I started digging through my fridge and I seen that I had Colby Jack, farmer's cheese, Cotija cheese, and pepperoni. So at this point, this recipe has officially become a clean out the cheese drawer challenge. The original recipe used almond flour too, but if you watch my channel for any length of time, you know I love experimenting with my total milk protein powder, so that's what we're doing instead. Alright, so let's see what happens. I'm starting by melting together the Colby Jack cheese and cream cheese until it's smooth. Next I'm adding the farmer's cheese, and I thought this would help keep everything moist and tender while adding a little extra protein. Then goes in the egg, total milk protein powder, Cotija cheese, bacon powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and the pepperoni. So I just throw it all together and everything gets mixed together until a dough forms. Now, one thing I have learned with the total milk protein powder is that it continues absorbing moisture after you mix it. So let the dough sit a few minutes before you decide if it needs any adjustments. Now, if you want to keep this completely carnivore, you can omit the bacon powder and the seasoning. It just may not rise as much, but it'll still taste delicious. Originally, I thought about making pizza rolls, but it just seemed too difficult, and pizza balls seemed so much easier and a lot more fun. So I'm portioning out the dough, rolling it into balls, and getting them onto the baking sheet. I put a little bit of extra Italian seasoning on top, and then I popped them in the oven at 375. All right, friends, they're out of the oven, and look at that golden brown color. They smell amazing, but you know the real test around here isn't how they look, it's how they taste. So let's find out. Come stand by me. Let me see if I can see your head.
What? You want me to what?
Stand by me.
You want me to do
Stand by your man. Look at how big my ears are. They stick out like Dumbo. Stop trying to be taller. Stop it. It's not good. All right, y'all. I was not going to do a video with sound. I was just going to do a voiceover until these turned out absolutely beautiful. And I can't see that they would taste horrible. So we're going to taste these little bad boys. They look delicious.
Yes, they do.
They smell good. Italian-y. And a lot cheaper than pizza nowadays. And it's carnivore. It's carnivore. If you do not want to do the bacon powder and the seasoning, you got a carnivore pizza roll. It just may not rise as much if you don't do the bacon powder, but who cares? It's going to taste good.
Who needs Tostitos?
Tostitos is chips.
No.
Totinos. Who needs Totinos? So this pizza sauce is pretty good. Ooh, it's slickery. 3 carbs per serving, no sugar. So this is a good pizza sauce, y'all.
I was going to say, do you think you could
Put what?
Like a butter olive oil thing on top?
Not right now.
Not right now.
I'm not being fancy. Okay.
No, not fancy, bougie.
I'm not bougie. Well, can't really see, but it looks good. You didn't wait.
No,
we were going to experience this together.
I can't wait. It looks
Is
so
it good? I did something good. This is a recipe that's good.
You always do something good, Katie.
This is a great appetizer.
For your friends and family.
That's right. Really good. It's delicious.
Don't mind me, but I think I'll have another.
I'm still chewing. I took a big bite. I put half of it in my mouth. It's really good though. It would be great with a garlicky butter sauce over the top. You guys, delicious. High protein, great amount of fat, 1 carb. 1 carb that comes from the cheese, 1 carb per roll. And that's a pretty big roll. That's bigger than Totino's.
Yep.
I don't know what that proved.
Pretty big.
It's good.
You gotta try it.
You do.
Mm-hmm.
I know it's for supper.
I knew you were going to say that when you were making it.
If it turned out horrible,
Guess what we're having for dinner?
Who wants to cook twice? Nobody?
Yeah, it's almost 5.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
We're having a snacky supper. Plus, we have more of the stuff I made last night with the noodles and meat.
That's true.
I'm going to do a video on that for them too. Very easy meal. Anyway, we're going to go because I can't stop eating them. I love them. You stole my pizza roll.
I sure did. It's delicious.
All right, you guys. We're signing off. We're going to go chow down.
Extreme close-up.
You should say that without your mouth full. People probably don't know what you're saying. We are horrible. Normally, we're not these people that talk with our mouth full.
Normal people.
We're not normal. Sorry. Anyways,
Not us.
We normally don't just talk with our mouth full, but I think it's different because we're doing a video. Anyway.
Extreme close-up. Whoa.
All right, y'all. We are signing off. Stop it, sausage dog. All right, we are signing off. Do yourself a favor and make these if you're looking for a great appetizer for a Sunday or even for a supper, easy supper. It's delicious. All right, y'all. I will talk to you guys later and have a good day.
Have
Bye.
a good day. Bye.